'Cause I bought.
Did you just videotape?
Was that on videotape? That's
Nice.
awesome. Amy, now you should fart to go along with it.
Let her rip, Amy.
No.
You're famous for that.
Jazz.
No.
Cause what?
So I finally started that,
I'm not doing that.
and I'm getting through that. And then I
Stop
started.
videoing.
It's right on your nose.
3 different times.
Right on your schnoz. Well, we can see. I can see boogers in there.
Good.
So,
I feel like I have to sneeze.
yeah,
Sweet.
I read like.